Question number 34. Yolanda owns 4 rabbits. She expects the number of rabbits to double every year. Write an equation and graph to model the situation. So the first thing we need to look at is see that she's saying doubling. And that does not mean linear. That means it's going to be an exponential equation. So if you remember, an exponential equation can be written like this. Y equals A times B to the x, where A is your initial amount, and B is sort of like your multiplier. So in this case, since I'm doubling, that means I'm going to be multiplying by 2. So when I write my equation, I have y equals 2 to the x. And now, since it's saying that she owns 4 rabbits, that means she's initially owning 4, so that's going to be my A value. So that's going to be my equation. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just draw in my y-axis, and then draw in my x-axis. And now I'm going to go to y equals and basically create a table. So I'm going to go to y equals and type in 4 times 2 to the x. And then I'm going to hit second graph just to see what the values are. So like at 0, I get 4. At 1, I get 8. At 2, I get 16, and so forth. So one thing we can do is, to make sure we sort of start nice, is we can sort of count up. So if we look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're going to hit 20. So one thing we could do is basically sort of space out our x-axis. That way our graph is a little more larger and we can see a better view of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically space it out so that it goes out by 4s. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, or goes out by 1s actually. Actually, I'm going to make it a little bigger. Well, every 4 is going to be 1. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and so forth. Now I'm going to start at x equals 0, and I'm going to plot the number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At 1, I'm going to plot 8. At 2, I'm going to plot 16. And now I'm going to connect my points. Now, one thing you have to do is make sure that it is curved, because an exponential function is curved. Now it says, after how many years will she have 64 rabbits? So we could actually just use our table for that. If we scroll down, we can see that at year 4, she will have 64 rabbits. So it will take 4 years to get 64 rabbits. And that is just by using your table.